morning, ladies and gentlemen. Guess where I am? So the place is gearing up for the biggest pop culture event in Asia, chinajoy. It started back in the 20s, and it's the 22nd time this year. It has grown up into a way more than a traditional comic convention. Right, so here you can see incredible cosplayers, the latest games, and goods. But chinajoy is more than that. It's like a massive celebration of youth culture, where thousands of fans who share their love together here in one place. And today, I am diving right into that. So now let's go and check it out. Hey guys, so look at what I found over there. In chinajoy, there will be competition around 4 things. That is cosplay, dance, Chinese traditional handfu, and cosplay cover design. So you can see on the stage so many people providing us with a super fantastic performance.
One of my favorite parts of chinajoy every year is seeing all the amazing cosplayers. This place truly feels like a grand stage for cosplay culture. Cosplayers from all over the country come dressed as characters from games, anime, films, and more. You'll see everything from intricately recreated traditional fantasy styles to futuristic warriors, from sweet and adorable girls to cool and charismatic protagonists, covering a wide range of styles and themes. They walk through the exhibition halls, drawing crowds of audience eager to take photos. As an anime fan, it feels like paradise to me. If you come to the event, be sure to grab a photo with some of the cosplayers.
So look at what I got just now. So this is called Mudo Independence, which literally means free. So people usually exchange their freebie goods with fellow collectors, or just take it as a gift to someone special.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, so now we are in another pavilion. So right here you can see different game companies. Like for example, like some famous in China, like Tencent, NetEase, or other very famous abroad. So right now behind me, it is booth for PlayStation 5. If you are lucky enough, you can get a chance to have a trial for the game Astrobot. Just now I saw one in the Helldiver's costume lose several times. So right now I am in front of the King Game booth, and on the screen you can see is the game Goose Goose Duck. I want to bring you so exciting news is that the King Game will be the publisher of the Goose Goose Duck in mainland China.
Goose Goose Duck is a multiplayer online social deduction game. Players take on the roles of either Jays or ducks. Jays must complete tasks and identify the hidden ducks, while ducks aim to sabotage, deceive, and even eliminate the Jays to win. With its fast-paced gameplay, diverse characters, and rich strategy, the game offers endless fun. So do you like this game?
Okay, so right here you can see so many famous IPs like the One Piece, Dragon Ball, Digital Monster, and the Gundam. So they are originated from Japan and become so famous in China and worldwide. And now let's take a look. Okay, so here we are now at Bandai Namco booth, and let's take a look. And from this wall, you can see their very classic models for different years. And also you can't imagine on the wall its components. There are so many small ones, and you can just make them into a big model. I really like the tiny ones. It's so cute. Alright, so now on the other side it is the long line. If you line up, then you can interact with the staff and go some freebies. Okay, so now I am at the end of the line, and I'm really looking forward to what I will get later.
A few minutes later.
Okay, here I am. I just get out from the booth and I follow their social media on Red Note. So this is what I get. Okay, so let's see what I've just got from the Tencent booth. Actually, I really don't know what it is. Alright, I'll take a try. Okay, that's it. Wonderful. Okay, and now we are in the model kit pavilion, and just see in my back, you can see the very giant Gundam. So here you can see different IPs like Gundam, Evangeline, and Transformers, and some China home brands. That's so wonderful.
Okay, you may wonder, since this is a comic convention, why BYD is here? Actually, there is a co-brand event between the car BYD and the well-known Chinese game Black Wukong. Look at the nice paintings around the car. It looks so cool. This is called Itasha, literally means painful car in Japanese. But why it is painful? Well, in ACG culture, it can feel a bit embarrassing to show off your love toward a character this openly. But it's also a badge honor for superfans. And it's not just cars. You've got Ita bags, Ita t-shirts, even Ita skateboards. It's all about wearing your passion, literally. Honestly, I think it's really a well song. So if I had my own car, surely I would do that.
Alright, so here we are now at a good selling area. So if you have watched our LinkedIn post several months ago about the goods economy, it has now about 40% increase in 2024 compared to 2023, and it is now expanding this year. Alright, so here you can buy the goods for different IPs you like, and also you can see people are doing live stream, so it's a combination of different types of economy. Okay, so now we are at the exit of chinajoy and we are approaching the end. Actually, I feel a bit tired, but it's really exciting. I like ACG so much, so I'm really happy to see so many people similar as me. And also, could you please tell me your favorite part about chinajoy? Is that the cosplayers, the game, or the performance show? Please leave your comment. Also, if you want to learn more about the comic convention in China, please don't hesitate to follow our YouTube channel. Bye!